If you have a Silverado and you're going to do a brake job on it, you need to put your truck into brake service mode. And the way you do that is you start the truck, and you hold the brake pedal and your parking brake at the same time for about 15 seconds. Your parking brake light will come on, and after the 15 seconds, the service light will start flashing. Once the light starts flashing, you need to let off on your brake pedal and press that button once. The parking brake will turn off and your parking service light will continue to flash. And now you're good to do your brakes. Once you're done doing your brakes, to get that back off, you hold the brake and the parking brake button for about 6 seconds until both of them start flashing, and then let off on your brakes. Once everything goes off, you're good to go and you can drive your truck again. This is definitely a must-do on these trucks. If you don't, the truck will actually go into a limp mode and you only get maybe 25% of your braking. Not to mention you'll be limited to 40 miles per hour, and you'll have to go someplace and have them hook it up to a scanner and clear the codes. And you do not want to make that drive. Ask me how I know. I've done it. So make sure you do this before you are changing your brakes and you'll be good to go. I'll catch you in the next one.